Welcome to CGMA's Story Development for Artists from Idea to Reality course. As artists, being able to tell your story is of max importance when it comes to pitching your ideas. If you want to develop your own IP, whether it be an animated series, movie script, or a comic book, being able to transform your idea into a story is fundamental. Learn how to take your idea, sketch, and napkin drawing and build it into a story with relatable characters, solid structure, and themes, using timeless but simple techniques inspired by everything from ancient myths to contemporary film, books, comics, and animation. You will develop your own ideas, characters, and stories using written premises, outlines, treatments, fictional biographies, and character histories, becoming the absolute authorities on their invented worlds, with an eye toward preparing each student's creative development work for real-life application in their media of choice. Here's what you will learn. Week 1 is an intro to story. What is it? Why do we love it? How do we make it? Selection and creative thinking process techniques. How to effectively select what to spend your time on, from doodle to passion project. Week 2, we will analyze characters in TV and film. Powerful introductions, writing what you know. Your life is full of characters. Heroes and villains, cliché versus archetype, caricature versus character, one-dimensional versus multi-dimensional. Week 3, defining the character needs, wants, and behavior. Character contrast and supporting cast. Week 4, building your story. From stickman to final render. Story versus plot. What versus how. What happens and how to show it. Image systems and motif, the seduction of pretty pictures, serialized versus episodic. Week 5, we will look into corsical and contemporary models for story. 3-act structure and other lies, A, B, and C plots, deciding what works best for you. Week 6, we will be deciding which story to tell. The Star Wars model, building your story, then writing it. Note cards, outlining, sculpting, writing inside out versus outside in. Just like drawing, weaving character and story, how to build theme, where to find it and when, controlling ideas and keeping it simple. Week 7, the elevator pitch, how to take your creative research and pare it down to bare essentials. Workshopping with peers, collecting constructive criticism. Week 8, now what? Planning for next steps. Intro to TV, feature, and comic strips, writing novels and prose, pitching and selling versus controlling your IP. For the next 8 weeks, you will have the industry's best artist as your mentor, allowing you to rapidly improve your skills by having access to industry-standard training and information in a one-on-one mentoring environment. Each week, you will have access to pre-recorded content that you will be able to access and review at any time, followed with a challenging homework assignment that will be reviewed weekly by your mentor, allowing you to master the skills needed to get into the industry. Once a week, you will also have a live Q&A session where you can interact with your mentor and ask any question. The live Q&A will be recorded and you will have access to it at any time. I really hope you enjoy this course, and the CGMA team is excited to see what you will come up with. Register today at cgmasteracademy.com.